Storyteller London.
Mentang dengan peni, kumnu pin apply for monetization, but man reapply ya ka disapprove channel, lani ka channel ya ka ba ka YouTube kam tre ban approve. Harian baga channel jong pi kala dap 6,000 subscribers, but 1,000 kenta ka watch time. Ka YouTube automatically kan review lada pil adap penbiang lupa yaki settings. Kani ke channel kalau adap 6,000 subscribers, but 1,000 kenta ke watch time. Kumta klik channel, page kani ke channel, bala adap setting load, PE bala jerngam load, like tang kani ke application, submit and review. Klik nang ni, learn more, way YouTube partner program, term, accepted, kebaar, AdSense requested, kebalai, monetization, preference set, channel under review. You have reached 4,000 watch time in the previous 12 months and 1,000 subscribers. Nice job. Your channel is now being reviewed to make sure it complies with the YouTube partner program terms and our community guidelines. We will email you a decision usually within a month or so. Kabumut, kani ke channel ka don haka under review, but kan simpor kung ba sibnay lan itam ban review. Badal adap review kan sa mail fee. To hadin sibnay kapoy kani ke email. Your channel is not approved for YouTube partner program. Learn how to apply. Kapamot, baka YouTube kakantad ban approve ya ka application jong pi. Di kumno pinle mda. Kanang ba pinla ban apply biang. Pilih ban check bah ya kawai pagawai ka video po ka channel jong pi. Ba umdi ban dan kiri upload video. Ki copyright music lani copyright videos. Ba baro ki videos kedai ban long ki original content lani ki video ki pasnahi bat ki balehi bat hadin ba pira deble kita baro khat pin up hadin lai pusngi bat pin salah ban reapply hadin lai pusngi pin sanjin biang hapo ka YouTube channel jongpi check biang si sin ya ki video jongpi paro yo le se ki don ki copyright music ki copyright video lani ki re-upload video. But hadian bapila penti kena bagi la biang pin klik biang channel. Monetization. You are enabled to reapply for monetization. To klik nang ni kan enable pin page yang ni. Klik reapply. To menta pil apply. Pat kan simpor biang kumba sibnai lalitam bakin review. To hadin sibnai la puai ka mail. Tong ini page don you kan ka mail. Congratulations, you have been approved to join the YouTube partner program. To page yang ni po nyo ka mail. Congratulations, your YouTube channel has been accepted into the YouTube partner program and is now able to monetize on YouTube. Kabamut baka channel la approve but pilala ban kamay bisa ya kani ka channel jong pi. Topet mentakan kini ki video pet kelami kini ki rong jerngam lani ki green dollar kabamut ba pilayo monetize but la sedang ban kain bisa. Ngangit bagani ka video kanira bipi kubleshbot.
If you like my channel, please tell to your friend. If you don't like, please tell me so that I can make it the best. Thank you for watching.